Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Beauty Bay. I am Vashika, and as I have promised in my earlier videos that I will be bringing you reviews, product details and everything about the new products that are coming into the market. So the brand today we are going to discuss about is M Caffeine. The brand has made its presence with the caffeinated products, and one of the top chart products is their body scrub that I guess many of you have been using it since so long. I'm a great fan of this brand since its launch in the market. As you all can relate to it, coffee is very close to our heart, and I already know that it has. We all are aware that coffee has many benefit attached to it when it comes to our skincare and a body care regime. So in the initial days when I started using the coffee scrub, I felt much overwhelmed by the product they have created and by its effect it leaves on our body. It's almost 2 years that more than 2 years that I have been using this coffee scrub and their various other products, and they have captured a very great market in India. And the plus point is that they are made in India, and we are very well proud promoting a brand that is doing great and it has an origin that belongs to India. In this video, I will going to discuss about their extremely new launch product, that is their face mask. You might have heard of their face masks earlier also. They were in the market, but but these face masks are a new launch. They are based on coffee itself. They are coffee based face masks. They have launched 4 variant in it. 3 of them are a washable mask and one of them is a sleep mask. So the mask I chose from all those 4, and I found it would be more compatible with my skin and I really want to try it, is their coffee naked raw espresso coffee face mask. After reading the whole of the description and everything, I went to their site and everything. I had to find out which mask would be more beneficial for my skin type. I have a combination to oily skin type, and in summers, as we all know, that people with the oily skin or a combination skin has a problem of, you can say, enlarged pores that need to be taken care of, and skin hydration is also a part, because when it's a combination skin, sometimes I feel a dryness on my forehead, on my chin area, but my T-zone becomes too oily. So I need a mask that can cater to all of my skin problems. Across this mask, it is a coffee naked and raw espresso coffee face mask from the brand M Caffeine, and I'll review it for you. About their packaging, as we all know that they always provide us with a glass jar, a glass bottle packaging, though I am not a fan of a packaging that is in a glass bottle or a glass jar, because they need special attention and care while they are placed on your racks or placed in your washrooms or wherever you stock your products. So but I need to try it because I'm fan of M Caffeine, so I need to try this. And the best part I like about this is that they always provide us little small spatula with it, which makes it easier for us to apply the mask. We don't have to search for our brushes every time. It just come in the box packaging with it, so it's easy to place, use. And it is a wooden, you can say, it's a wooden spatula. And the best part of this is that it doesn't take time to dry up. Once I apply the mask, I wash it off. In the meantime, my mask get dry, but this spatula gets dries off, and I am very happy with this part of it. Now I'll tell you why I chose this mask specially, because as I mentioned that I have a problem of pores, and people who have problem of enlarged pores definitely will going to look to this product, because it says that it helps in reducing the pores. It is also mentioned on their box packaging that it helps in reducing the size of the pores, minimizes the pores effectively, and it has AHA and BHA in it. And this mask is rich in antioxidant, which helps in skin refining also. So all these factors made me go to try this product, so I ordered it. I'll share the link in the description box from where you can order the product easily. So let's talk about the size and the pricing of the product first. It's come in the 100-gram quantity and 3.5 O's, and it is priced at 575 rupees, and it has a shelf life of around 2 years. That for my mask it going to expire in 2023. So I really like the products which have a good shelf life. So a large shelf life helps me use it to product to the great extent. And apart from the main targeted problem area for the pore and the other skin concerns, it is mentioned on their box that it can be used by all skin type irrespective of the skin you have, either combination skin, dry skin, or the oily skin, sensitive skin. The other good thing about this brand is that when I ordered, they have a launch offer running on the portal that if you buy this mask, you'll get a mask brush free and easy applicator to apply the mask. Now I have two applicators to apply the mask. Along with that, they have given me these two products. These are the face care shots from this brand. This is a face wash and this is a scrub. Going in more details about the product, I'll show you how it looks like and how its appearance would be. Here it is, a very rich creamy texture and very thin. Its consistency is really thin. You how it looks like. This is the consistency of the product and it is a very light consistency, you can say, and after drying up it becomes into a some thick kind of a layer. It's okay because the product has dried up. And the best part of it is the smell. The espresso smell that we all love in our kitchens is here in this jar. Caffeine is in the market for around, you can say, from 2015, and I like this brand just because it is a made in India concept and the products are so good, and they are delivering their promises as per the individual product. And I believe I have almost all the range of from this brand, and in the upcoming videos I will be sharing those product also. But my favorite product from this brand, as I mentioned earlier, is the body scrub, and I'll recommend you also to try it once, and believe me guys, you will be the fan of that product. But apart from the quality, consistency and the results that this brand is giving, I really like that they are the vegan product and they are toxin free. This is something that we usually look into a skincare product, especially if I'm putting some products on my face, it's vegan or not, or it's healthy for my skin or not. Already I have a very sensitive and a problematic skin, so I always look for these kind of subtle informations. And they are not testing it on the animals. They have mentioned all these things here on the box packaging. You can go through it once you own the product. I'm just clearing it off. But for the further review, I have posted the whole usage of this product in the upcoming part of the video, how it is used, and I have used their product also in their base which they have given me, like the face wash. You can go with the first step as a face wash, second step as a scrub, and scrub is very mild, so it might not harm your skin anyhow. And thirdly, lastly, I have used the product that we are discussing, the espresso mask. Yeah, hope you like the video that I have included in it. So I have shown you how to use it, but I would recommend for the people who have pore problem, they should use it around, you can say, for 15 minutes on their skin. So because when it dries up, it has done its job. It has, you can say, absorb all the oil. This is my personal suggestion because I have been using pore care products since very long, and I know if the product get dries up, they have done their job, and now you can wash it off. I hope you found the whole review very interesting. If you need to know anything about the product, you can do mention it in the comments, or anything you want me to make a video from this brand or any product that you like, or just put it in the comment section. I'll check the comments and do come up with the video, but I'll try to make it on a more regular basis for this brand. And hope you like the video. Do comment, share, like and subscribe. Guys, please do follow my Insta ID also, like the video, subscribe the video, comment if you need anything from my side on this topic, on this video, or you have any questions. But bye bye, take care.